I'm facing a little problem in making manga pages as they are a little difficult to make them as we have to focus on various line works, the expressions of the characters, and the inking part. That is the most focal part. The inking part is the part which beautifies the page, and for now I have started taking reference only. Now I have started to make a manga page of Vegeta, which is one of my favorite characters, and I like him a lot. Recently, I have made a manga page of Goku, which I had posted in the community tab of my channel. You can see and comment on it. According to me, it is very impressive because for me, it is too difficult to get such accurate line work and inking work. But it took me some days to complete this. Actually, I am good at cartoon style, um, which is for me is better than manga and anime, as I am good at that. I draw anime, but I am not still much familiar, as I cannot draw without a reference. I need much more practice to get better in manga and anime stuff. For this, I need some time, and time management skills are very less on me. Manga process is a difficult one, but I hope I will soon get better at it as I am trying to continuously focus on it. There are various options for me for various pens and pencils for making manga, but for me, these are the prime tools I use for making my manga. Like I have thin pens, thick pens, this brush pen. All these tools are very impressive for me, and I am in a practice with all these tools. Let me show you how all these tools works in different thicknesses and different output. Manga is a new concept for me, but still it is better than semi-realism and realism, as we have to just focus on line works, outlines, and all of them, etc.